there you have it. 2012 Toyota Tacoma, black with red. Beautiful interior. Like and subscribe, guys. Visit leatherteck.com so you can order your kits right there, or directly to Upholstery Technology, or visit us right here in San Bernardino. We ship to the 48 continental states, and of course we do the installations right here too if you want to have it fully installed. Like and subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, put it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next project.